Where you going?
Not going.
Go. Press it. Press it harder. Faster! DJ.
Break it.
Come on, you little bitch. That's the guy that raised me?
Well, I guess you did get your feet from him. Feet from Mom.
Watch, he's gonna sink. He's not going fast enough. He's gonna hit a soft spot.
He's fucking went straight.
Oh.
He's gonna hit the river.
What the fuck?
You guys show him how to turn around?
Yeah. He's gonna hit that mountain and launch.
Oh my god.
Mountain over there, what?
Open it up. He must be looking for a fishing spot or something. He probably thinks he's going off to
He's lost.
Oh no, no way.
he probably thinks he's going off fast to